Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 6.1, question number 1. What will be the unit digit of the squares of the following number? So this is a given question. They are asked you to write only the unit digit. So they are not asked you to square this number and find the unit digit. You can write the unit digit directly. So how to write the unit digit directly, we'll learn from this table now. Children, we all know that what is the square of a number. 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9. This table we know already squares. Now from this table we can say that the number 1 and number 9 will be ending with 1 only, because 81 is ended with 1, 1 is also 1 only. So the number which is ending with 1 and 9 will be ended with 1. Look at 2 and 8. 2 and 8 will be ending with 4. 64, 4. So that's why I have written 4. Look at 3 and 7. 3 is ended with 9. 7 sevens are 49, also ended with 9. So the number which is ending with 3 or 7 will be ending with 9. Likewise for 4 and 16 it will be ending with 6. So 4 and 6 is ending with 6. For 5 the number also will be ending with 5 only. Now let us go for the questions from the book. Look at the first question. A question. That's the first problem. 81 is given. Look at the unit digit here, 1. So the number which is ending with 1, the answer also, the square also will be ending with 1 only. So the answer you should write it as 1. Now look at the second problem. 272 is given. So the number ending with the 2, number ending with the 2 will be ended with 4, because unit digit will be 4 only. So they are asked you to write only the unit digit. That's what we are writing. This unit digit will decide what is the unit digit of the answer also. Look at this. 7999 is our question. 7999. Double 9. Only double 9 is given. Anyway, the number is ended with 9. The number ended with 9, definitely the unit digit again 1 only. So you should write it as 1. So look at the fourth problem here. 3853. The last number is 3. The number which is ended with 3, that unit digit will bring you 9 only, because 3 3s are 9. So 9 you should write. Next problem. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at the last number 4. So number 4 will be ending with 6, because 4 4s are 16. So that's why the unit place will be 6. So look at one more problem. 2, 6, 3, 8, 7 is a question. Look at the last place, that is your 7. The number which is ending with 7, that will be ended with 9. Or you can multiple in your mind. 7 sevens are 49. What is the unit digit? 9 only. No, that also you can write it. Don't need to memorize anything. You look at the last place, 7. 7 sevens are 49. Look at the last digit, unit digit alone, you can write it. Look at one more problem. That is 52698. Last number is 8. 8 8s are 64. Last number will be 4 only. Or from the table, for 2 and 8 it is 4 only. That also we can write it. Like this you can try the remaining problems. We'll move on to the next problem, second problem now. So here comes our second problem. Our question is, the following numbers are obviously not a perfect squares. Give the reason. So these numbers are all not a perfect square. We should give the reasons. Our question, we are not going to write the full condition. We are just going to give one reason why it is not a perfect square. Look at the number 1057. Look at the last digit 7. The number which is ending with 7 never be a perfect square. Why? Because we have a digit from 1 to 9 and the 0. Now 1 can be ended with a perfect square, because 9 9s are 81, 1 1s are 1. So 1 is a number, can be a perfect square number. 4, 2 2s are 4. So 4 also can be ending as a perfect number. 5 5s are 25. So 5 also. Likewise 6 also. 9 also. It will be ending with a particular number. For the better idea, you can look at the introduction video in this chapter. So the numbers which are all ending with the 2, 3, 7, 8 will never be a perfect square number. The number which is ending with 2, 3, 7, 8 never be a perfect square. Here look at the number. First number 1057, not a perfect square number. What is the reason behind it? Means unit digit is 7. Unit digit is 7. That is the reason that is not a perfect square. Look at this problem. 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Look at the last place 3. So this is also not a perfect square. The reason is unit digit is 3. That's all. That is the reason you should write. Here again the last number is 8. 8 is also not be a perfect square number. That also should be written in the same way. Then one more condition what we should learn is, children listen, suppose we have root 100. That can be written as 10 tens are 100, 110 will come out of the root. So I can say that 100 is a perfect number because the number is coming out of the root. Suppose if I am taking 1000. 1000 is not an exact perfect number because 1000 can be written as 3 times 10. For these 2 times 10, 110 will come out. This one more 10 will be staying in the root itself. So this is not a perfect square number. So whenever we are getting 3 zeros, it's not a perfect number. Whenever we are getting 2 zeros, it is a perfect number. That means the number of zeros is a even number. Suppose if we have 4 zeros, 2 zeros will come out of the root. Suppose if we have 5 zeros with that number, will not be a perfect square because it will not come out of the root exactly. So what we can say is the number which even number of zeros are there means even number of zeros are given means it is a perfect number. Suppose odd number of zeros are given means suppose odd number of zeros are there, na, that is not a perfect number. That is a main condition, not a perfect number, that we can say that. Children listen. So these and all we can write. Look at this fifth problem. We have 1, 2, 3 zeros are given. 6, 4, 3 zeros are given because it consists of odd number of zeros. Odd number of zeros. That is a reason this is not a perfect number at all. That's what you have to say that. The remaining and all the same condition, children. Look at the last number 2. So the number ended with 2 is not a perfect number. Here look at the last 3 places. 3 zeros. Again the same condition. Odd number of zeros are available. It's not a perfect number. Likewise the next problem also you can answer. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.